Hello friend, welcome back to my channel TechW3 Web. Today we are going to learn how to write Apex class trigger on contact. The scenario is whenever user trying to create a new record of contact, we are trying to updating the same record of the contact if the contact phone number is already exist on the relevant account phone number, then user not able to create same record with the same phone number. Let's suppose this is a record of contact, phone number is this. If I am trying to updating this record with the same name phone number, so if I am trying to updating this record on contact, the Apex class trigger will check the relevant account phone number, this one. If this phone number, that means the phone number of account and the contact phone number same, in this case user not allowed to create or update the record of contact with same phone number if phone number already exists the relevant accounts of phone number. So let's go to the w3web.net tutorial to get the code. So first we need to follow up the steps according to the w3web.net tutorial. First we need to create Apex class trigger, and step 2 we need to create a Apex class handler. So according to the step 1 we need to create trigger name. Copy this trigger name, go to the developer console, and because I already created the file name, so I do not need to create the same file. Only copy this code, go to developer console, paste here. And the second step 2 is create a handler class. Create a handler class, copy this handler Apex class name, go to developer console, create the Apex class. After that, copy this code or code and paste here. After saving both of the file, we will achieve this scenario. In this scenario, this phone number do not, if phone number already exists on the relevant account, then with the same phone number user cannot create the record if already phone number exists on contact. Yeah, user cannot update this record if same phone number already exists on the relevant account. Thank you so much. I will provide this code link on the description of the video. Thank you so much.